all get triggered every day. We all go through things that push our buttons and cause us to want to react in a way that's not for our highest good, and show you a couple things that work for me when I'm getting triggered. Alternate nostril breathing. Something you can do on an airplane if you're feeling anxious, or if you just need to leave the room because somebody pissed you off or upset you, you can go in the bathroom and do this. Or like, because I'm frustrated with something on the computer that I can't fix. The thumb on one nostril and your ring finger on the other nostril. And you're going to want to breathe through your left nostril while closing off your right nostril with your thumb. And then you hold that breath in with your ring finger, and then blow it out of the right. Then you breathe it into the right nostril. Hold it in with the thumb. Breathe it out the left. And on the left, hold it in with the ring finger. Out on the right. Already I feel my shoulders have dropped down like 3 inches away from my ears. They're no longer my earrings. And I feel a big wave of peace and calm has come over me. We should breathe deeply when we get stressed, but we can't always access that. But I find the tactical part with my hands and my fingers and the breathing in slow and then breathing it out, it just really, really helps. Other thing I do is I put on anything that has meaning to me, a collection of rosary beads, so I put those on. And there's power in things that you love, and I love these, so I feel like they give me strength and power. This was my mother's prayer shawl. She used to wrap it around her head and pray inside here. I wear it every day when I meditate. It's got Hebrew writing. I don't know what it says, but it's really cool. I'm sure someone out there does. And these lines, and then these patches, and these tassels. I get out books that really help me. I'm obsessed with at the moment. This man is so spot on with everything that he teaches. He's really, really helped me. Earth is a planet of refinement, not perfection. I love that line. There is no such thing as perfection in people. We are here on this planet to learn and to grow, and we do so by making mistakes. This is a beautiful song that my sister gave me for Christmas, and it makes the most beautiful sound. There are notes all across the top of this, and each one has a different sound. Collection of bells, and I'll just ring them. I love this thing. Just shaking it around my head and my heart, I swear it clears away any negative energy that's clung to me. I also burn things. Palo Santo, incense. This is sage. You can buy sage in a bundle, but I like to buy it at the farmer's market. It's like $2 for a big, huge thing. And I just turn it upside down and I hang it over my stove in the kitchen, and it dries out. And then I just burn it. I feel like I can control it a little better than those bundles. And it just completely clears the energy in and around me. I do it all throughout the house. And it really makes me feel so much more calm. My oracle cards, the goddess ones, are one of my favorites. Ask a question. You have to think of the question while you're shuffling. So I'm going to shuffle. And if something's trying to come out like that, you know these are your cards. Mary Magdalene, she's always been one of my ascended masters, rather. And Artemis, the guardian. Mary Magdalene is unconditional love. Love yourself, others, in every situation, no matter what the outward appearance may be. And Artemis, you and your loved ones are safe and spiritually protected. They always come with a book. So I look up Mary Magdalene. Where you dwell in consciousness is where you truly dwell. So focus your thoughts on the good things that you can find in people and rise above all appearances otherwise. Don't worry what others think or say. Heal this situation with love. Send love to those who have hurt or misguided you. Forgive yourself for what you think you've done or not done. Release old unforgivenesses towards others to help yourself heal and move on. Her significant role with Jesus, as described in the Gospels, include her washing his feet, witnessing his death, and being one of the first people with whom he appeared after his resurrection. Controversies about other roles she may have played include Christ's bride, a temple priestess, or a disciple. I think she was all three. Call upon her for help with forgiveness and opening in your heart to more love. So, beautiful brother died 6 months ago. I had rose oil and I massaged him as he was dying. And I massaged his legs with rose oil, and it was just something I had to do. It wasn't conscious. I didn't think of it. And then the next day I was talking to my best friend, and she said that she was reading in the Bible where Mary had massaged Jesus's feet after he died with rose oil. So it's really beautiful that I chose her card. Her shawls over her head in a picture. So there are no coincidences. We're all connected. Artemis, like me, you have a sacred mission to spread love and light. Yet this isn't a position that comes from tension or worry. Instead, the gentle essence of a joyful heart and light-hearted laughter sets your power into motion. Why would there be any tension in your mind or system unless you believed that you were somehow unsafe? And how could you be unsafe when you've called upon the spiritual warriors to watch over you? Your prayers have activated the flawless protection of heaven. So ease your mind of all cares and concerns and concentrate instead upon your holy mission. The angels are watching over you and your family. Your future is safe and secure. All your needs are being met and always will be. The worst is now behind you. That's comforting. Well, that really helped me because I had a lot of questions. These two goddesses really addressed them. So maybe you can try a few of these next time you get stressed out. Thanks for watching.